What's up, folks? BMac here with Dip Traders again, and today was kind of slow in the morning. There really wasn't much moving in the low float space. However, around 11 o'clock, a bus just took off out of nowhere, and I was able to scalp it for a while and make 286 bucks. So that's what you're seeing here. This is my trader view, 286 bucks, profit factor at 2.20, which is pretty solid. It was some good scalping, so I'm going to show you some clips from what I ended up recording today. I missed probably half of it because I wasn't live streaming at the time, and I just hit the record button halfway through and I realized this isn't stopping. So you'll get to see some of the clips. Let me flip over to my trade station here, and we'll go over to the balances so you can just see I'm actually only up to 38 on it. However, I lost a decent amount trying to short it at some of the breaks. So I'll show you some clips from that as well. And then finally, take a look at the chart review where I was taking the trades on it. There was actually some spots where I really should have made money and I just missed the buy. You know, on this breakout here, on this breakout up here. There were lots of spots. I definitely didn't trade it to my full potential, but I can't be upset with $286. So we'll take it, and let's get into the clips. All right, so before I get into this clip, I had a viewer message me and ask, I want to get into day trading. What should I do? What should I be looking at? What should I be trying to learn? And my response to him was, well, obviously you need to learn the basics. You have to figure out candlesticks. You have to figure out the terminology, and just watch the charts. You have to get screen time. But I'd say the most important thing, if you want to take it to that next level, is to watch traders live. You have to watch people who are consistently profitable, who know what they're doing, so that you can emulate something about their strategy. And it doesn't have to be the same thing. You know, if you're watching me, you can take this strategy and apply it to different types of stocks. You could apply it to large caps. You could apply it to dip buys. There's tons of different ways that you could take this strategy and mold it, craft it into your own. So watch the best of the best. And I'm not saying that I'm the best of the best, but I am consistently profitable, and I've shown that to you guys through my trader view reports. I can show you my broker statement. I'm an open book. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. That's going to tell me that you enjoy watching this, and I'll make more of these videos for you guys. And I really do hope it helps you guys. I hope you can take this strategy, make it your own, and make some money off of it. So without further ado, let's get into the clip. So here we are. We're looking for a break of 620. This could have been a potential top. I think I shorted this one and then got out. I think on this rip here, I was looking for a failure pretty quickly. Here I'm in at 614, got out. I think it was only like a $20 winner. Should have held on a little bit longer. I was just looking for strength here. When we curled back up, I figured we were going to go to the high of day, and I just didn't hold to that high of day move. At this point, we start to fail, and I'm thinking, okay, double top. We fail really quickly, so I know that I want to get a short at $6, so I'm hovering over here. As soon as we tap $6, I get in short because I think that's a failure off the high of day. And it starts to work out decent, but we find support right around this 590 area. And let me continue on here. Okay, so here I think I'm about to get stopped out. I'm probably hovering over the buy button, and you can see TradeStation just started lagging at this point. I got out of my short, I think soon here. Yeah, I was trying to get out there. Now I'm out, and now I'm looking to play the breakout. I'm looking for the breakout at 620. I'm in there, boom. So that was a nice $70 trade right there. It happened really, really fast. So one thing I found in Bookmap that helped me scalp this along the way, it really gave me confidence behind my buys, especially my dip buys, was the fact that there were buyers stepping up this entire way. We had tons and tons of buyers coming in. You can see right here, over here in the order book, there was 214,000 shares sitting below price, right around $6. So I felt really comfortable buying dips, even around $6, because I knew that there was a huge buyer below. It probably wasn't going to break on the first go, and we'd probably have a bounce off that level. So that being said, this was the first high of day, the second high of day. This is the double top. Then this was the failed break of high of day. We bounced back, and now as we start to come down, I see these buyers here, and I'm looking to dip buy into these levels because of the amount of shares that are sitting there, right around $6. So now let's come back to the chart and watch me execute this dip buy. So again, there's lots of buyers below us. I know that. What I'm looking for now in the level 2 is a pullback, and then I want to see strength off that pullback because I want those buyers to recognize there's a huge buyer below us and we're not going down there. And people are doing the same thing as me. They're piling into this, trying to drive price higher. So let's watch and see. We kind of huddled, we struggled. Okay, we're going lower. There's the dip. Now I'm waiting for strength. I see strength there. I buy. Huge move up. As soon as I start to see weakness, I'm out. So we were in there at 613, and then we got out at 625 and 627. All in all, I think that was a $130 trade. So that was my best trade of the day by far. And that's really all thanks to Bookmap. Shameless plug, I do have a referral link for Bookmap if you are interested in that. I think the best deal is to get it through TD Ameritrade. You can have it enabled by calling their support. I think it's only $40. I think that's what I'm going to do once my subscription's over. But if you don't use Thinkorswim and you want to use Bookmap platform and the DX feed data, I think it's like $100 a month. But I have a referral link that'll get you, I think 33% off the first month. And it will give me something as well. So if you want to use that, that's in the link below. And while I was just talking, you may have seen this trade play itself out, but basically I'm looking for continuation through the high of day. I'm trying to anticipate it. I see some buyers stepping in here at 616, looking to buy into 617 if I see strength. Waiting, watching. I see a lot of green. I get in there. It doesn't go, and immediately I'm out. I took a $30 loss on that one, sold down here at 614. Okay, last few trades here. Let me play this clip. At this point, we're having a steady sell-off, and I know that there's still big orders below us at $6, so I feel pretty safe even holding for a little bit, given the fact that those large orders are below us. So let's play the clip. I think I do some dip buys here. So I'm in at 608 there. I'm not sure actually what I saw to get in. We weren't bouncing, so I got out for a little loss at 606. And let's see, now we get some strength. 615 is definitely a level. Do I look for continuation through there? I do. As soon as we break, I buy. We get a nice pop there. And again, I'm looking for a move back to the high day, but as soon as we show any kind of weakness, I'm out. So that was a 4-cent gain. That's $40. And then I think I do one more trade here. Again, looking for that high day break. Didn't get the continuation, so that was a break-even trade right there.